A project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. So here one word come temporary, which means time bound, okay? And endeavor means effort, okay? And unique means something no other parallel or something entirely new. For example, you see a great pyramid of Egypt, okay, and great wall of China. These massive structure or majestic structure, these were the project in their time. Although that time the knowledge of project management was not so widespread, but essentially the principle of project management were practiced by those people. But we can make out that there must have been a complete, comprehensive, and meticulous conceptualization of that idea. There must have been centralized planning. Without that, it could have never been possible. It means that practice of project management principle, it's an old age thing. We have been practicing project management for a long time, okay? I agree. Project management subject is new, but the practice of project management is not a new concept. We have had the knowledge of project management for a long time. So all these projects, not only in US, India, China, they could have never been possible without the knowledge of the principle of project. Now let's come to the definition. Unique. Every project is unique and every project is time bounded, means temporarily. Any activity which is unique and first time you are doing and it is time bound, then it is a project. Whether you are starting a business, developing a software, constructing a road, or making a 5-star hotel, or even you are making your own house. These are all project because you are creating for the first time, right? They are all project. They are unique and time bound, and every project has to be completed in a certain time. So when we understand project, every project has these twin characteristics. That is, projects are unique and they are temporary. If in any endeavor, any of the two component is not there, then it is not covered in the definition of project. That will be called not a project but a quasi project. The meaning of quasi is half. So question can be asked, what is quasi project? A quasi project is one in which either one or many goals or projects are not cleared, and one which does not satisfy the basic twin characteristics of the project. So quasi project means it has the characteristic of project to some extent, but not all characteristics. It should have these twin characteristics, okay?